Today I am going to teach you plus 2 accountancy lesson 3 partnership basic concept. The topic is how to calculate interest. Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you plus 2 accountancy lesson 3 partnership basic concept, and that the last topic is how to calculate interest on drawings. After that, partners commission and partners salary. How to calculate partners commission and partners salary. Partner's salary, it is easy to calculate because he will give 1 month salary, we have to multiply it with 12. But partner's commission, there are two methods to calculate partner's commission. One is profit before paying commission and profit after paying commission. Profit before paying commission and profit after paying commission. The journal entry for partner's commission and partner's salary is adjusting entry is partner's salary account debtor, partner's commission account debtor to partner's capital or current account based on the account they are following. If they are following the fluctuating capital method, so you have to use the capital account. If they are following fixed capital method, you have to use the current account. Okay, so this is the way you have to follow the capital, that is partner's commission and the partner's salary. The final part is P&L appropriation account. That is the final one, profit and loss appropriation account. Today I will teach you what is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Now this account is the extension of profit and loss account. That is, after preparing the profit and loss account, the net profit will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, because this amount, the profit amount, will be shared to the partners. That is why we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account. The format of profit and loss appropriation account is a ledger. So debit side and credit side. Debit side consists of three details. One is to interest on capital. The second one is to partners salary and to partners commission. So the three items will come in the profit and loss appropriation account. One is debit side, interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission. These three items are the expenses of the partnership firm. That is why these three items debited in the profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side only two items, that is by net profit and by interest on drawings. Okay, so these two items are the incomes for the partners. Okay, that is income for the partnership firm. That is why these two items will be credited in the profit and loss appropriation account. These all are the expenses for the partnership firm: interest on capital, partner's salary and partner's commission. So these three items will be debited in the P&L appropriation account. The two incomes are net profit and interest on drawings. Both will be credited in the P&L appropriation account. This is the format for preparing profit and loss account. So the net result may be profit or loss. So either they get the profit, it will be transferred to partner's capital account. If they get the loss also, it will be transferred to partner's capital account. Very important account. So this is the format for P&L appropriation account. Based on that, I will teach you one sum. Okay, take Exercise distribution of profits among the partners. So question number illustration 21, page number 106. Illustration 21, page number 106. See, Arulappan and Nallasamy are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:1. On January 2018, their capitals were rupees 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. The partnership deed specifies the following: interest on capital 5% per annum, interest on drawings to Arulappan and Nallasamy rupees 200 and 300. The net profit of the firm before charging interest on capital and interest on drawings rupees 18,000. Give the journal entries and prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st December 2018. Okay, now what we have to do means we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. After that we have to pass the journal entries. So here the necessary journal entry means what are the items you are updating here: interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission. Here interest on drawings and net profit. So it means so for each interest on capital 2 entry, one is adjusting entry and a transfer entry. Interest on drawings also one adjusting entry, one transfer entry, 4 entries. Okay. For partner salary and commission 2 entries, so 7 entries. And for net profit, if you will get the profit, now that profit will be shared to all the partners according to the ratio given. So totally 7 entries will come. Okay, but in the sum there is no partner salary and partner's commission. So out of 7 entry, 2 entry will be reduced. So totally 5 entry we have to pass. 2 entries for interest on capital, 2 entries for interest on drawings, and 1 entry for profit sharing. Okay, so I will teach you how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation. Yeah, listen carefully. Now I will teach you how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. First illustration 21, page number 106. Illustration 21, page number 106. Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. For the year ended 31st December 2018. 31st December 2018. Okay. So this is a ledger. So debit side DR, credit side CR. I already told you what is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Debit side 3 items will come. One is interest on capital, and the second one is partner's salary and partner's commission. So third one is partner's salary, partner's commission. The credit side is interest on drawings and profit. So debit side 2 entries, that is 3. Debit side 3 entries. One is partner's interest on capital and partner's salary, partner's commission. There is no partner's salary, partner's commission in the sum. So only interest on capital only. So 2 interest on capital. Okay, here we have to calculate one by one. Arulappan and Nallasamy, because he has given the capital amount only and the interest rate. So what is the capital amount he has given? That is for Arulappan 20,000, Nallasamy 10,000, interest is 5%. So 20,000 into 5 divided by 100, 10,000 into 5 divided by 100. So the net result is how much? Here for 1,000 rupees for Arulappan and 500 rupees for Nallasamy. Okay, so here there is no partner's salary and partner's commission. Come to the credit side. Credit side is by net profit. By net profit. How much net profit? Net profit clearly given before adjustments rupees 18,000. Rupees 18,000. And by interest on drawings. Okay, Arulappan is equal to how much? As given Arulappans and Nallasamy is 200 and 300. For Arulappan 200, for Nallasamy 300. So totally 500 rupees, put it in the outer column. As per the format, only 5 items. In debit side, partner's interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission. And the credit side only net profit and interest on drawings. So here credit side both the details are available, but in debit side only interest on capital. The other 2 items are not given in the sum. So we have to close the sum. What is the total amount we are getting? 18,500. Okay, so same 18,500 we have to arrange. 18,500 means here 1,000 plus 7,500 gone means balance 17,000. So this is the actual profit. This amount should be apportioned to whom? The partners Arulappan and the Nallasamy. So we have to put here to profit in the bracket transfer to P capital account. Transfer to capital account. This 17,000 will be apportioned to Arulappan and the Nallasamy. What is the ratio he has given? The ratio is 4:1. So Arulappan and Nallasamy. This 17,000 will be apportioned to 4:1 in the ratio of 4:1. It means 4:1 means totally 5 shares. 4 shares will go to Arulappan, 1 share will go to Nallasamy. So 4 divided by 5 and 1 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5 and 1 divided by 5. So it will around 13,600 and 3,400. This calculation should show inside of the particular column, not come to the outer column, because already we put 17,000. That 17,000 will be apportioned according to the ratio given in the sum. 3:1 means for Arulappan 13,600, for Nallasamy 3,400. How it has calculated? 17,000 into 4 by 5 and 17,000 into 1 by 5. Okay, this amount will be transferred to partner's capital account. This is the way you have to follow the P&L appropriation. Here, that is, one is interest on capital, for that 2 entries, and another one is interest on drawings, for that also 2 entries, and we got profit. That profit should be transferred to partner's capital account. So for that 1 entry, totally 5 entries. Okay, so interest on capital. What is the journal entry for interest on capital? So please see the textbook, page number 107. It is available clearly. Journal entries. So after preparing profit and loss appropriation account, we have to pass the journal entries if they asked. Here in this question they have asked what? After preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, we have to pass journal entries. First journal entry is for whom? That is for interest on capital. See the journal entries, page number 107. So date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay, what is the date? Here the date is 31st December 2018. See the date is in our textbook, page number 107. All the journal entries are available. See the page number 108. So December 31st 2018. First we have to write the adjusting entry for interest on capital. What is the interest on capital journal entry? Interest on capital is expenses for the business, so it will be debited. So interest on capital account debtor. What is the interest on capital? Total 1000 plus 500, 1500. So 1500 will be debited in the interest on capital. Okay. 2. This amount will transfer to whom? That is partner's capital account. Here they are following fluctuating capital. So definitely this amount will go to partner's capital account. Okay, fluctuating means capital account. So that is why he has mentioned to Arulappan's capital account, to Nallasami's capital account. So this 1500 will be transferred to Arulappan capital account is how much? 1000. Nallasami's capital account 500. 1500. So narration is what? Capital, interest on capital 5% provided. So what is the next entry? For interest on capital we have to pass one more entry, that is for transfer entry. What is the transfer entry? Profit and loss appropriation account. Don't put only P&L account, you please put P&L appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital, because in adjusting entry interest on capital debited, now it has to credited. Okay, so same 1500 will be updated. So the narration is interest on capital transferred or amount closed, whatever what you can put. Okay, the next journal entry is for interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is income for the business, so that is why it is credited. In third entry, interest on drawings credited. Then whom will be debited? Partner's capital account will be debited. So Arulappan's capital account data, Nallasami's capital account data to interest on drawings. What is the Arulappan capital interest on drawings? 200. Nallasami's capital account 300. So totally interest on drawings 500. So narration is interest on drawings charged. What is the next entry? Transfer entry. Transfer entry. So in the adjusting entry, interest on drawings was credited. Now it has to debited. So interest on drawings account data to profit and loss appropriation account. How much? 500, 500. The last entry is we got 17,000 profit. 17,000 profit. That profit will be transferred to whose capital? Yes, Arulappan capital and then Nallasami's capital. Okay. So profit and loss. So if we get profit means what is the? If we get the profit means that what is the transferring of profit entry means? Profit and loss appropriation account data to Arulappan's capital to Nallasami's capital. Suppose we get loss means the entry will be reversed. Partner's capital account data to profit and loss appropriation account. Now we got the profit. That is why profit and loss appropriation account is debited. Partner's capital account credited. So here see the page number 107. The last entry is profit and loss appropriation account data rupees 17,000. To Arulappan's capital 13,600, to Nallasami's capital 3,400. So here profit transferred. Okay, so this is the way you have to follow the interest, that is P&L appropriation account. Okay, P&L appropriation account. The next one important account is, that is same type. Here you don't want to prepare the journal entry straight away, you can prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Illustration 22, page number 108. Very important sum. Very, very important sum. Okay. Yes, I will. Illustration 22, page number 109. Sorry, 108. Page number 108. I'll read the sum. Please listen carefully. Durai and Velan entered into a partnership firm on 1st April 2018. Durai contributing rupees 25,000 and Velan contributing rupees 30,000 as capital. The agreement provided profit and loss shared in the ratio of 2:3. Okay. Then partners is entitled to interest on capital 5% per annum. Interest on drawings for Durai 300, Velan 450. Then Durai received salary 5,000 and Velan received a commission rupees 2,000. During the year, the firm made profit rupees 20,000 before adjustment of interest. So salary and commission. Okay, prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So very simple. Here all the details he has given clearly. Now we have to prepare only profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account is a ledger, so you have to prepare in double side. Okay, in accounting sheet you have to prepare double side. Profit and loss appropriation account. for the year ended. What is the year ended he has given? That is 31st March 2019, because they have contributed for 1st April 2018 means the closing year is 31st March 2019. Okay, so this is the debit side DR, this is the credit side CR. Okay, in debit side as per the format three items will come: interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission. So 2 interest on capital for Durai. What is the capital he has contributed? Durai contributed rupees 25,000. What is the rate of percentage of the interest on capital? 5%. So 25,000 into 5 divided by 100, you will get 1,250. So Valen, how much Valen contributed capital? Valen contributed rupees 30,000. Valen for 5%. So 30,000 into 5 divided by 100, so you get 1,500. Okay, and here two more items he has given, that is interest on drawings. Before putting the interest on drawing, we must put here by net profit. By net profit. What is the net profit here? Net profit for the firm is rupees 20,000. Rupees 20,000. Credit side rupees 20,000. Okay. Then by interest on drawings. Interest on drawings for Durai is 200. Valen. Durai 200, Valen 300 rupees. Durai 200, Durai 300, Valen 450. Durai 300, Valen 450. Totally 750. Okay, 750. Here, partner salary, Durai receive a salary rupees 5,000. So here to put to salary Durai rupees 5,000. So Durai only getting salary, so Durai 5,000. Valen getting commission 2,000. So to commission Valen. So Valen getting commission rupees 2,000. Okay. Now all the entries are updated. Now we have to find out which side is bigger. So definitely credit side is bigger, 20,750. Here also same, 20,750. So here 7 plus 1 8, 9. So 9,750. Balance 11,000 will come as a profit. So this is the actual profit transfer to partners capital account. This amount should be transferred to partners capital account. Who are the partners here? One is Durai and Valen. What are the ratios they are getting the profit? 2:3. So Durai 11,000 into 2 divided by 5, and Valen is equal to 11,000 into 3 divided by 5. So for him 2 share, for him 3 share. So 2 times 2 times. Here 4,400, here 6,600. Okay, so Durai is getting out of 11,000 4,400, and Valen is getting rupees 6,600. Okay, this is the way you have to find out the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so in next class I will do 2 more sums. So I will finish this lesson. This is very important. Definitely will come in the 5 marks sum. Profit and loss appropriation account definitely will come in the 5 marks sum. So you practice well, and if you have any doubts you can clarify in the online classes, direct classes. Okay, yes. So this is profit and loss appropriation account. If they asked journal entries means you have to prepare journal entries also. Here you have to prepare only profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Thank you.